Sydney here. What is up? Today's video is going to be makeup products that I recommend 100%. I have 3 categories: face, lips, and eyes. These are products that I've bought a couple times over and I absolutely love and I really recommend. It is worth the hype. So grab a piece of paper, grab a pen, let's take some notes. Let's go. I'm pretty sure you guys knew this one was already going to be in my list. Mario Badescu spray. This stuff just really helps with the look of cakiness. The smell, it smells like roses. It's really beautiful. It's a nice way to just like freshen up the face. I really like this stuff. It's like 11 bucks. I really recommend it. So grab this. Second that I really recommend is this face tint. I'm gonna butcher the name. It's La Rose Percée. It's this, guys. I really like this. It is like a tinted face cream, but it also helps with pimples and stuff while it's on your face. The formula in this product automatically like matches to your skin, which is kind of amazing. Screenshot that, buy that, because this stuff works really good. I've bought multiple bottles of this and I don't regret it at all. I need coffee today. I am so soda today. Multiple coffee sips throughout this video. You're welcome. Okay, second product that I absolutely love. This is again a tinted full coverage cream. It is the It Cosmetics CC Plus Color Correcting Illuminating Full Face Coverage Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum. I really like this guy. It's super good. One thing that I like is it has SPF 50 in it. Oh, hold on. I forgot to mention. Oops. The price of this guy, I believe, is like $25. The price of this guy is like $50. It's kind of expensive, but it is one of the best foundations. I don't wear foundation anymore at all, but when I was wearing foundation every single day, I love this. I've tried so many foundations because I used to have cystic acne, so I tried so many foundations out there and this one killed it for me, guys. It is expensive, but honestly it is worth the price. I have the illuminating one. Also, the OG of bronzers, butter bronzer. I'm sure you guys have heard of this. This is from Physician Formula. Super nice. The smell, for one, is just amazing. Like, it smells so good. It's super a creamy base. Like, it is a powder, but it's very smooth and to the touch. I really like this. I've always thought it gave really nice natural glow. It wasn't harsh. It didn't give you an orangey look. It just gave you the super nice bronze, like you're just in the sun tanning or whatnot. This guy runs for around $16, I want to say. Definitely recommend. One of my little highlighter secrets that I've gotten multiple compliments on before. I've actually have showed my friends some of these products and they went ahead and bought them because they just loved the effects. And I feel like it's a little bit of a hidden gem. It is the Urban Decay Naked Illuminating. But guys, this is beautiful. You've probably seen me use it a couple times in my videos, but it is just gorgeous. It's a fairly chunky highlight, but it is just beautiful, guys, especially if you put this on the collarbone. This one's an Aura. This guy I think is in the $40 range again. So worth it though if you guys want to really glistening, like shine, blind people while you're driving because it's so blinding of a highlight. I really recommend this guy. You guys all heard of it, but Becca, honestly, I've tried so many highlighters out there. This is the little travel size. I've already used the other one. I gotta go buy a new one, but I love it. This one actually is the one in Opal, but I forget what the other one's called. There's a really famous one, but that one is definitely my favorite. Pretty expensive as well. I think it runs in the $40 to $50 range. It's honestly worth it. Makes you so glistening and it gives that highlighter look that we're all looking for. Next is a cheek stain. I love the Benefit tint. This is also a lip stain as well. If you guys don't like that much face product like me and you don't really want that like powder look on your face, recommend this one because it gives you that natural plump like blushing look. This I think was like 18 bucks or something like that. It looks like a little nail polish. Check this out if you like more of a natural look. The last face product that is amazing, it is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer with the sponge tip. I love the applicator, guys. This just is amazing. I use this every single day. I wouldn't go to any other concealer than this. This one goes for $12 for concealer. So if you're looking for a super good, affordable concealer, highly recommend this guy. It's Maybelline. It's amazing. Buy it right now. So my first lip product would be the Tarte lip paint. I hate wearing lipstick. I hate having stuff on my lips. I hate the fact that it gets on your teeth and it's just messy, and then you like freaking eat and it gets everywhere, and I just don't like it. It's not a pretty picture. However, I found this product, and again in a sample size, but it's from Tarte and it's a lip paint, and this stuff is incredible. It stays on your lips for a very long time. I've gotten a couple of the smaller ones and they've just done me so good. Highly, highly recommend. The next lip product is a lip pencil, and this is from Rimmel. This is the full color lip liner. I love this. This is a really nice drugstore lip pencil if you guys are looking for a good one. I do like the fact that you don't have to sharpen it. I hate sharpening lip pencils. So this is really nice. These go for $5, I think. I love using this guy not just as a lip liner, but an all over the lip. Now, my secret weapon for plump lips is the Too Faced lip injection. I love this stuff, guys. I've bought quite a bit of bottles of this stuff. I'm gonna put some on right now, because why the heck not? It works well. This is like $40, so it is pretty expensive for a lip plumper, but it is so worth it if you guys have little lips like me and are a little bit too scared to do lip injections because you're worried that there's a chance your lips might look like sausages. I really recommend this product, and it is pretty instant. I'd say in about a minute or two. Well, it does tingle quite a bit. Highly, highly recommend. The next product I really, really love is a NARS lip gloss, the Orgasm one. Oh my god, guys, I got this for Christmas and I love it so much. I actually don't know the retail price for this. I'm assuming expensive. This is the smaller version, I think. But this color is just gorgeous. It's not sticky, and that's what I really, really like about this lip product from NARS, is because I hate lip glosses that are super, super sticky, and then when you open your mouth, they're just like the strings or whatever. This product does not do that. Super, super great. The last lip product I'm pretty sure you guys all have heard of is the Lush Lip Scrub. This stuff is just amazing. I love using this. It does such a good job. It tastes so good. I have the one in mint. I'm a big mint person. It really takes off the dead skin. It's a whole natural product mostly, I think. It's super tasty. Like, you could straight up just eat this and you'd be having a great day. So yeah, I really, really recommend this. I think this one runs for like $10 at Lush. Buy yourself that. Let's start off with the eyelashes. I really love the Kiss brand. These ones are really good. They're called Blowout Lash. They are new. This one's in Page Boy, but like, look at those. They're so wispy. You get 4 and they're just amazing lash. Really, really recommend them. The next product is a liquid eyeliner. I love this liner mostly because it's $3. And it is from Essence. It's super, super good. You guys probably seen me use this a couple of times in my videos. It's really opaque. It stays on. The applicator's nice and tiny little paintbrush. Like, it's truly, truly amazing, guys. And for $3, you can't go wrong. So yeah, highly recommend this liquid eyeliner. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my lashes, I do have really long lashes, but I really have tried lots of mascara and I really like this one. This is from Maybelline, the Falsies. I'm sure you guys have heard of this one as well. It was pretty popular back in the day, like a while ago. This one's like $6, I think. And it's from Maybelline and it's super, super good. Like, it just does your lashes great. I noticed that it separates them pretty decently, which is nice. And more volume, which is kind of nice. So I really, really like that. The brush is that little swerve, that little loop kind of thing. Highly recommend. You guys seen this in my videos probably quite a bit, and it's my biggest rave for eyebrows. Definitely the e.l.f. products. Why? Because they're $3 each and they're amazing. I've bought over 10 of these now. I like how you have the color on the one side and then you have the spoolie. Again, this is a really nice brow gel as well. This is what I've been using. Really cheap product, and if you go through eyebrow products like I do, it's nice to get the cheap stuff so you're not spending so much money. This one is definitely my go-to. Cheap, works well, does the job, especially when you blend it out. Eyebrow products. Next is eyeshadow palettes. One of my favorites is the Chocolate Bonbon palette. I really like this palette because I love the colors it comes in. You have a lot of neutrals in this palette, and you also have some fun colors too that you can work with, which is really, really nice. Also, Too Faced, they know what's up. I love how they have their scented products. Like, that is just unbelievable. I love it. It smells like chocolate. It's beautiful. This guy I think runs for $40 or $50 and I love it so much. My all-time favorite eyeshadow palette is again Too Faced. This one is the Pretty Rich. This is beautiful, guys. I am obsessed with this palette because I love the colors it comes with. Mostly neutrals with, again, pops of nice bright colors. I am a huge glittery gal though. So the fact that this eyeshadow palette comes with like 4 glittery eyeshadows, I'm obsessed with. And they're all super good quality. They stay onto the lid. I just love Too Faced eyeshadow because the blending is super nice. It doesn't give you that streakiness. Easy to build up. But like I said, the one thing I really like is just the colors and the sparkles. It has the sheens, it's got the like actual chunky glitter, and then it's got the matte, which is nice that you have all those different kind of consistencies to work with. Again, not to mention, how cute is this packaging, guys? It looks like a little jewelry case or something like that. This guy, I think it's $70 or $60, something like that. But yes, my favorite. Well, that is the end of the video. That is all the products that I really like. I hope you guys enjoyed my little insight. I have high ends mixed with drugstore, which is really cool. But I've tried all of these products, and most of these products I've actually bought numerous amounts, and I just really recommend them. So if you guys found any of these helpful that you're gonna go out and buy, comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 100 before the end of this month, which would be my birthday. That would be absolutely amazing, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing morning, day, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is for you, and stay positive, stay happy. Spread the love, guys. Be kind to one another. Do something good for someone today. Make someone smile. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!